Alright, so I'm here in Wakarusa, Indiana, looking at their T-121 at their fire department. Haven't seen this up close yet, but yeah, this thing's pretty big. So this siren replaced an EOWS 612 in 2004, I believe. And the EOWS was actually running the high tone on its Siren. That's pretty cool. Kind of see the rotor up in there. Take a quick look at the controls. Box. Disconnect, which is like, you know, at eye level, that's not great. And here are your controls. Your ear protection. Probably, I don't know, 7-8 feet off the ground. And your T-121 right there. Let me back up. I would love to get this going off for a test one day. Go across the other side of the parking lot. Yep. There you go. Alright, so I'm going to take some pictures and then I'll head to a Model 2 just down the road.